Little here. Fighting stance. Ready? No hitting in the face. Just the pad, okay? Key man, he's gonna come kick you. Fight! Watch the face, man. Stay out of the face. Face, man, the other face. Great. Uh-oh, man, he looks a little stronger than you now. Shoot you in the face, you get a little bit mad. Uh-oh, man. Are you stronger than her? Right. Oh, she's mad now. Watch the face, man. Hit him in the face, okay? Look, listen up. I gotta tell you this. It's the rule. Look, if you hit him in the face, he gets to hit you back in the face. If you hit you in the face, sir, hit it back in the face. Okay? That's the rules here. No one gets hit in the face without being hit. Okay? So don't hit him in the face unless you want to be hit in the face. Okay? I know you have a little problem with aim right now, and he's smaller than you, but you can't hit him in the face. Okay? Okay. Move back. Ready? Fight. She's mad now. Good job, man. Oh, Eric's mad now. Oh, good job. Oh, they're both mad. Oh, yeah. Throw somebody on the ground. Gotta get close. Gotta get real close. Push. You almost have it, sir. Good balance, man. Gotta get the leg behind there. Good, man. Get behind her, he's going down. Somebody's going down. Oh! Put your leg over. Oh, good way to fight, man. Push, drive forward, fast. Good. Another throw down. Grab each other. Get the leg behind. Get your leg behind him. Throw your leg back. Get him! Don't let him pick his glove! Great! You alright now? Okay, you gotta punch him back. Okay? One last class. Ready? Hands up. Kick him, man. You ain't playing around with her, are you? He ain't playing with you. Are you stronger than her? Huh? You're fighting good. You're fighting alright. You're alright. You make you angry, huh? A little bit, huh? Just a little bit, huh? Good. Doesn't matter. Ready? Fight! Ah! Uh-oh. Oh. Man, she's bad now. Oh, yeah. Yeah. But he's bad too, man. Yeah. Great. Good. Neutral stance. You did pretty good with anybody who knows how to fight, man. It's your first time fighting? Have you ever been in a fight in your life? Good, you did excellent. What's the better way to get in the fight anyway? This is going to be your first fight. Got each other? Good. See those here? Shake hands.